Are you looking for an oversized chair? Well, check out this one by Husk Firm. This accommodates up to 400 pounds. And as you can see, it is huge and it has a full shade over it, as well as a very nice carrying bag. And at the end, I will put this all away for you and show you how nicely it compacts up. But you've got cup holders. Let me give you a close-up look of everything, in fact. So on the chair here, you've got really nice big seat here. Got nice cup holders with mesh bottoms. Got that on both sides. Then you've got the full mesh all the way inside here. Perfect for camping, perfect for games, but really sturdy structure. Just to give you a good look of everything here. Now they're competing with the sun a little bit, but that's why this shade chair is absolutely great in this type of weather. But everything rolls up. All these shades roll up and give you a really great fit. But let me show you how absolutely comfortable it is and how much room I have in this chair. So here we are in this chair, just so much room. I mean, like I said, accommodates up to 400 pounds. Or if you just like to maybe sit a little bit more comfortably. I love to sit crisscross, so sitting like this, completely shaded in, but plenty of ventilation for air to move around. I absolutely love it. If you are looking for an oversized chair or just want a bigger chair, I really recommend this one by Husk Firm. But let me show you, I'll put it away and show you how compact it is.